This is Deeleap hand hydraulic pump Pmd 2Bs. It has large tank capacity. The two-speed design and the handle stroke save time and effort compared with the single-speed operation. It can also reduce the labor intensity of the operator. It can be used together with large tonnage hydraulic cylinder and hydraulic tools to do lifting, jacking, bending, straightening, stretching, punching, riveting, disassembly and other operations. No environment requirements, suitable for field operation.
开始。
啊，对，它是由表面上油缸在走，对。
一下。
哎，它是弄到中间有粒子。